Let me tell you a shocking secret most Indian home gardeners don't know. You could be leaving up to 70% of your potential tomato harvest unpicked. Imagine doubling your yield, more juicy, homegrown goodness than you ever thought possible. Hey there! Welcome to GreenSavvy. Are you growing tomatoes but upset with the yield? Are you not able to get as many tomatoes as your fellow gardener friend? Do you want to increase the number of tomatoes on each plant? Then sit back and relax because you have landed on the right video. In this video, you will know how to get more fruits on tomato plant, what are the possible mistakes that you are making for which your plant bears less fruit. All the information shared is science-backed and well-researched, so you can stay worry-free. GreenSavvy is here to help you accomplish your gardening goals. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Today, we're not just talking about planting seeds. We're unlocking the science behind tomato fruit maximization right here in India. We will cover everything from understanding crucial growth phases to practical, tested strategies that can truly double your tomato harvest. So, get ready to take notes and let's grow together. Before we get our hands dirty with practical tips, let's quickly take a look into the fascinating journey of a tomato. It all starts with a delicate flower and the magic of pollination. Now, while tomatoes are self-pollinating, factors like those very hot Indian summers and high humidity can disrupt the process. Successful pollination leads to fertilization and then the crucial fruit set, all arranged by plant hormones like auxin and gibberellins. Once the fruit begins to develop, it's a race to efficiently channel those precious carbohydrates produced in the leaves to the growing fruits. Think of it like a plant's internal supply chain. Now, here's where it gets really exciting for us in India. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, has been doing incredible work. They've developed high-yielding, disease-resistant F1 hybrid tomato varieties specifically for our unique conditions. Think names like Arka Rakshak and Arka Abed. These aren't just any tomatoes. They're bred for enhanced fruit set and can achieve yields as large as 80 to 90 tons per hectare in some cases. Plus, they're resistant to common diseases like tomato leaf curl disease, bacterial wilt, and early blight. This means less disease and more energy going into those beautiful fruits. And without trying to bore you by taking you through a lot of scientific detail about tomatoes, I would like to add a single more detail to our scientific foundation that's a bonus tip for garden enthusiasts like you. Some of these advanced hybrids even have a jointly pedicel, making harvesting very easy. It's all about maximizing not just the quantity, but also the usability of your yield. They're even breeding for dual-purpose varieties with high total soluble solids, perfect for both fresh eating and processing. Alright, let's get down to the main part of this video. How you can double your harvest. Strategy number 1. Healthy soil is king. Tomatoes thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, ideally between pH 6.2 and 6.8. This ensures they can soak up all the essential nutrients. Also, keep an eye on the electrical conductivity, ideally between 1.2 and 2.5 deci Siemens per meter. Does your soil have high salinity? That's not good. To give your soil a supercharge, incorporate organic compost. It improves soil structure, water retention, and provides a slow release of nutrients. For container gardeners, a balanced 19-19-19 NPK like GreenSavvy is a great start, but remember, during the fruit swell stage, potassium becomes a superstar. Strategy number 2. Master the microclimate. Our Indian weather can be a bit extreme. Tomatoes love daytime temperatures between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius and nighttime temperatures between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Anything drastically outside this can lead to flower drop. During those hot summers, consider using shade nets with a 30 to 50% shade rating, especially white ones that reflect heat. And don't forget mulch. Whether it's organic like straw or plastic, mulch helps regulate soil temperature, retain moisture, suppress weeds, and even prevent soil-borne diseases from splashing up. Strategy number 3. The pollination power-up. As because tomatoes are self-pollinating, you can encourage the process, especially indoors, or if you don't see many bees around, by gently vibrating the flower clusters between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. This mimics the buzz pollination of bees. Just a light tap or shake can significantly improve the fruit set. Strategy number 4. Strategic nutrient management during fruiting. This is crucial for those big, juicy tomatoes. Consider applying calcium sprays. A 0.5% solution of calcium nitrate at flowering can work wonders to prevent blossom end rot. Foliar application ensures the calcium goes right where it's needed. Also, aim for an optimal potassium to magnesium ratio of around 4:1 during the fruit swell stage. While specific trials are ongoing, balanced K and Mg are vital for fruit development and quality. Keep an eye out for yellowing between the veins of older leaves that could signal a magnesium deficiency. And finally, strategy number 5, the art of pruning. Knowing your tomato type is key. Are they indeterminate, that is vining, or determinate, that is bush? For indeterminate varieties, regular pruning of those suckers is essential for better airflow and directing energy to fruit production. What's a sucker? It's basically the shoots between the main stem and branches. For determinate types like Martha Washington, avoid heavy pruning above the first flower cluster. Focus on removing lower leaves that touch the soil to prevent disease and improve air circulation. Now, even with the best care, you might encounter a few problems. Here is a quick troubleshooting guide. Problem number 1. Flowers drop. It happens when night temperature is greater than 24 degrees Celsius. Solution. Install clay pot evaporative cooler. 2. Hollow fruits. Reason is boron deficiency. Solution. 0.2% soluble spray at 15-day intervals. 3. Fruit cracking. Reason is irregular watering or rain. Solution. Maintain consistent soil moisture and mulch. 4. Blossom end rot. Reason. Calcium deficiency and water stress. Solution. Calcium nitrate spray and consistent watering. For the tech-savvy gardeners out there, keep an eye on tools like the Blossom. It's an AI app. While currently focused on plant identification and care reminders, the future holds exciting possibilities, like predicting fruit load based on leaf scans. Imagine having data-driven insights right at your fingertips. Remember, Indian gardeners, we have fantastic local resources. Embrace Jaivik Khaad for healthy soil. For containers, Krishak is a great starting point. And for those in areas with heavy monsoon rains like Bangalore, ensure excellent soil drainage. Using beneficial fungi like Trichoderma viride might help your plants better cope with stress from excessive rainfall. However, more research is yet to be conducted in this matter. Let's bust a common myth right now. Myth: more water is equal to more fruits. Truth: well, research from Punjab Agricultural University in 2021 showed that maintaining a soil moisture tension of 35 kPa can actually increase the sugar content or the Brix level of your tomatoes by 18%. Optimal water management is key, not just overwatering. And to inspire you even further, consider this. A gardener right here in Pune achieved an incredible 21 kilograms of tomatoes per plant by consistently using vermiwash as fertilizer and strategically removing some leaves for better sunlight and airflow. This shows what's possible when you combine organic practices with smart techniques. So there you have it. Science-backed strategies tailored for Indian conditions to help you unlock the full potential of your tomato plants and potentially double your harvest. Remember, it's all about understanding the science and applying these practical tips. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges growing tomatoes? What are your go-to tips? Let us know in the comments below. But wait, that's not the end. Do you know that you can earn up to 15,000 rupees per month from your balcony? Click on the video on the screen to know how. See you there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more gardening secrets and tips for India, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing.